Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the second board in section 4 of maneuvering material, which is chapter 8 in the book. Again, we will be going over the concept of counting the number of moves. Please refer to the previous video if you have not seen it to understand the basic concepts. So without further ado, in this example, uh, given the book, Red will make use of the tactic of trading material to increase the initiative, and this is based on counting the number of moves. So we will start the central cannon. Black would counter with the horse, push the pawn, develop the chariot, counter with the protect the cannon with the chariot, edge horse, which is okay. Thus far the moves are considered orthodox. Red develops the left chariot as a rank chariot, which is okay. Red tries to form a blockade, and Red attempts to attack this horse. Now, in retaliation, Black will move the horse to the riverbank. Now, just a point to note. Now, at this point in time, Red cannot capture the central cannon because Red will simply capture it and then gain back lost material with this discovered check. No matter what Black moves, Red will now gain material 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 versus Black's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why Black cannot capture the central pawn and would need to move his horse out of harm's way from this cannon. Red continues to threaten the horse, forcing the horse to advance, and at this point in time, Red will simply offer a trade of material. Now, it would not matter if the black horse traded for the cannon or the horse, because at this point in time, the number of moves used to make this move the horse would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 moves out of 8 plies were used to move this horse to be traded for either the cannon or the horse, which should only make 1 move. So this will result in a loss of initiative for Black, and Red will further his chances of winning. And Red will not only increase his initiative, he will have a better positioning. Red could attack with this manner, move the chariot over here, etc, etc. And this is a very basic concept but very useful. So please, a short review. Central cannon, both colors protect their pieces. The edge horse, rank chariot, Red, Black forms a blockade, which is okay. Red plays c8 equals to 7, and Red moves the horse to the riverbank. Again, Black cannot capture the pawn or he will lose the material. Red will now threaten the horse again, and then offer a trade of material to win. So this is a very good example, which is a very fundamental basic tactic that must be learned by beginners. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you.